My dad said this to me and I thought it might help you today. Overcoming hiccups defines the strength of your relationship. We all fall, and that's no secret. But it's really about how you get up that defines your strength. In any relationship, in friendships, in romantic relationships, at work. Solving problems is a part of our lives. And everyone can do it. We can all find the solutions to our own problems. And that's really where the magic is, inside of you. Looking inwards to find those solutions will help you resolve all your issues outside. Because you're worth it. We're all worth it.